Hey Zip friends, welcome back to Food Fun. We've been missing all of you and we wanted to give you something that maybe you could work on at home. We're gonna make our snake today, and it's just using some grapes and strawberry and some food coloring if you have it. If not, you can always eat it without having eyes. And I have Ella and Abby here today with me to help make it. So you're gonna need a skewer, you're gonna need 6 grapes and 1 strawberry. And you're going to cut the end of the strawberry off so that it's flat. And then you're just going to take your grapes and you're going to start putting them on the pointed side of the skewer. Pointed side, babe. And then you're going to leave the end just a little bit to hold on to it. And you're just going to slide all 6 grapes on. Keep going, you're fine.
I put it on wrong.
Okay. Put it through the middle of the grape. Alright, and then when you get to the very end, you're going to have just a little piece that you can stick your strawberry in. If 6 is too many, depending on the size, you can always scoot it down to 5. But you're going to stick your strawberry on the end, and then you can use your food coloring for eyes. You could always do this with marshmallows. It doesn't have to be some kind of fruit. You could use marshmallows, and you can just have a really good time, and then after you're done, you get to eat it. All right, friends, we'll see you soon, hopefully, and we miss you and we love you. Bye.
Bye.